We're out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and today, Vanessa Joy is going to take photographs of my wife, Lindsay, and I. Lindsay and Vanessa are not here yet, but they will be soon. You probably already know Vanessa from here on YouTube, but if you don't, go check out her channel after this video. She has a lot of Black Friday specials up right now, so if you want to join her insiders, you can for less money than it would usually be. But right now, we talk about her game plan for taking photos on the strip and not getting kicked out of every single location.
I think you're just standing there not taking pictures. Okay. Because I feel like that's a vibe you want to go for anyway. Yeah. And then we can hide and not get kicked out. Fair. Maybe for a little longer. Yeah. Because getting kicked out of places and yelled at is like my worst fear. So awkward. Childhood trauma. Lindsay, look back at me. Cute.
And while these are Vanessa's photos, they are my selections and edits. So if anything looks bad, just point the finger straight at me. And for gear today, Vanessa is using the Canon R5 and the 28-70 f2, which is an f2 zoom lens, an incredible tool for wedding photography and portrait shoots like this.
Very, yeah, like kind of like authoritative, a little, yeah, that's cute. Tilt your foot in a little more. Yeah, perfect. And then just kind of like, and then just come give her like a big bear hug. Perfect. So maybe just face each other and then just you'll play up your shoes like a little tap. And let the bag come back a little. You know what? This will be a really fun spot to like direct flash you. Come just like right next to each other, maybe hold hands and take, you know what, let's go a little closer because I want your shadow to end up on the wall. And I want it to go that way. Yeah, so just like kind of almost away from each other, like you're both almost going opposite directions. Stay close, or a little bit closer. Exactly, but just turn. Yeah, it's perfect. Love that. And then both of you kind of you'll like rock from one foot to the other, so you can like have a little movement. Yeah, perfect. And then let Lindsay go in front. Yeah. Breathe through your mouth, Lindsay. That's it, love that. Good. I feel like we could do that. You guys are blurry, but that's in focus thing. Yeah, if you come like right here. Yeah. And then just kind of get close, like put your arms, nose together. Okay, so I know we're doing direct flash, but I brought a transmitter because, you know. So you mind holding? This is a really cool spot because I can get the flamingo and that sunset.
I know if anybody would have
kind of have to. So same exact thing you were doing. Let's just test, and we're good. So you're gonna go kind of further and like not that far, like right here. Take a baby step this way. Nice. Fun. It's a funky little spot, but it's like you can get the whole thing. Yeah. All right. Come this way a little bit more, because then we won't get anyone in the background. Actually, do what you just did. So start on that white and just kind of like walk in front and look down and yeah. And go ahead. Cool, yeah, and just hang there. Good. And then look at each other. Cute. Maybe go in, like throw your arms around each other, get real cutesy. Oh, the hair is working for you. That's perfect. That looks really good. Go in for one more kiss. So I'm just gonna turn you for a couple because the light is better. Yeah, this way. So do the exact same thing. Go like shoulder, but come a little bit behind her. Yeah, and just play up the shoulder. You can kiss her shoulder. Good, and then look towards each other. Be like super flirty with them. Cute, perfect. Yeah, I want to get that long shot there. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe we can go on that fence. Yeah, say try a little crisscross, yep. And then don't be on, I like there, yeah. And then Taylor, don't be on 2 feet, so like lean a little bit on there and like put a foot out. Yeah, that's it. And then be like independent of each other. So actually I love that you were looking at me, and then yep, Taylor, look off that way. Good, perfect. And then switch, so like you'll look off a little bit. Good. All right, come on down. And then Lindsay, maybe come to that side and just kind of like lean against there. Maybe do like a little crisscross with your feet. Yeah, that's it. Good. This is a good spot for a little flash. So do that exact same thing. Yeah, Lindsay looking this way. Yeah, I love, love, love that. I feel safe, yeah. And then you're gonna walk towards me, but make it like super playful, a little drunk. Don't overthink it. Literally what we're gonna do, and I'll turn this light on so you can see where you're pointing. You're just gonna go here, slightly above eye level, and you're gonna try to get it, so they're gonna walk, Lindsay, step in front of, they're gonna walk about there. Your goal is to hit, like not directly on, but like slightly in between them. That's your goal. All right, this looks so good. All right, so you'll lead first, and really let him like kind of drag, look around, up, down. Perfect. Do me a favor, take 2 steps back and rock. So just stay there and go like back and forth. Good. That's perfect. Awesome. Oh, I love it, yeah.
Miss Joy, what are you selling?
What am I selling? I'm selling exclusive invitation to Photo Insiders, which is one of the coolest platforms because obviously Taylor has one too. But mine has a Discord group, and you only know what that is if you ever did Twitch and gaming, but think like DWF, is that what it's called? Digital Wedding Forum? Do you remember that? That's what it's like. So thephotoinsiders.com, education's there, community's there. We have a lot of fun.
Thanks so much, Vanessa, for taking photos of us. Links on the screen right now. If you want to go learn a little bit about her or watch some other videos.